And welcome back to Python of how to delete record from Microsoft Access. Okay, here are the lines of code that I use. It's very simple. Okay, the most important bit is how to get onto wherever you have your own database. That is my database there. You must be able to do that. I've already shown how that is. How to get onto wherever your database is on my two previous tutorials. Now, you see this cursor.execute. The most important command there is delete from whatever the name of your database is, okay, and where this column ID in this reference numbers. Okay, if it's going to be surname, then you enter the names. Okay, now let me show you my database. Here is my database, and below are the records I intend to delete: Peter Wales and Femi Wales. Okay, what we're going to do now is I'm going to run the program. Let me come in here, click on run. Yes, save. Let's run it. There we go. Now I've run the program. Let's open up my database. This is my database there. We still have Pete Wales and Femi Wales. All we just need to do is to click on the refresh. There we go. As you can see, Peter Wales and Femi Wales, they've disappeared from the system. Okay, all right, let me show you guys one other thing. We can also insert them back. The previous tutorial was how to insert. This is it: Peter Wales and Femi Wales. So let's run the program. We'll run it. Make sure our database is open. That's the database there is open. Click on refresh. There, they're back onto the stage. Now, but this tutorial is based on delete. So let's minimize this, come back to our delete. This is our delete right there. Okay, I'm now going to bother write this code out. I might decide to put this code on the description, but the problem is, okay, there won't be any problem. I may have to just change my name here. That's my name. Okay, undo that. Now let's come back in here. These are the lines of code that you need. Import from pyodbc connect equals pyodbc.connect and the driver. Specify the driver up to here, and then enter equals to locate where you have your database. That is where my database is. All right, and ask the system to commence execution. And here, this cursor, this is what I want this cursor to do: delete as follows, just these two records. So on here I still have those two records because I've just inserted it again. I'm now going to run it. Save and run. There. Now let's open the record, the database itself. That is it. All right, right there. So once we click on refresh, and there we go. You see, those two records are gone. So guys, with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and I will include these lines of code onto the description area. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.